What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Destination Rust. It is currently night. We're at the lair. This is where all the technical stuff goes down. But Mike and I did something a while back. We ordered a couple bags of pay dirt. I don't know if you can see this, but we just get a little closer here. So we caught a sale on this stuff, and we're like, you know what? Let's go for it. We're into prospecting. We want to go do it, so we're going to do it. So we ordered 4 bags of the stuff, and Mike was over here earlier. He was screwing around with it. We were all doing some practicing, and we actually managed to pull some gold out of it. It's really cool, right? So previously, I had actually, in one of my many adventures out into the world, I had stopped and I had scooped up some dirt from an undisclosed location that turned out to be full of pyrite. Fool's gold. So we said, you know what? We're kind of dumb. We don't know what raw gold looks like. So that's where this came from. And it's worked out pretty good. So Mike is already, I was like, you know what? We should make a video about this because, you know, we got excited about it and didn't do things. So we already went through 3 bags of it. I'm going to sit here and pan it out and use our gold processing table to get the finers out of it. He was like, psh, kiss that. I'm going home. I'm going to bed. I've got to get up super early. I should probably do the same thing. So I'm going to get a few things set up here and show you what we're dealing with, and I'll be with you in a moment. Okay, so this is what we're going to do first. We have a small pan. We have a screen. What we're going to do is we're going to classify this material. Now, I'm kind of bad at this, so we're just going to do half a bag at the time. Mike's a lot better at this than I am. So, I'm just going to take and cut it open. Yeah, that's probably about half. Set that over there. Don't make a mess. And just what you're going to want to do is pick it up, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Now, we do that because you can see the actual dirt there. That's all your blondes, and that's where the gold's supposed to be. But you always want to check, get these bigger rocks out of here, and make sure you look through it really good. Because in one of the bags we actually found 2 really nice nuggets in this stuff. So this is done. Pull your Home Depot bucket out, dump it in, it's done. Okay, so we're gonna do a quick little change of station here, and I'm gonna get this set up to pan. Okay, so now we are set up next to the coffee station to pan this gold. So I've got a big pan of water here. Our pay material is in this pan. And I'm going to lower the camera here for just a second. That way you can see it. You can actually watch what's going on. So, okay, that'll probably work. Okay, so water, material, water. It's got to be wet. Can't dry. Or just dish liquid, period. Give it a more. Okay. So the reason why you want to do that is because the oil's on your fingers, and any oil that could be in the pan, this will break it down and it will make the gold not stick to it. So what we're going to start doing here is we're just going to, now you don't have to do this. You might have to do this. I'm kind of dumb at this. So what you're going to want to do is get everything kind of shook up there. I'm probably doing this really badly. And then just, oh yeah. Now as you're doing this, and there's plenty of YouTube videos out there, Flour Gold Wizard and Gold Hog are 2 that we watched a lot to learn how to do this. They're probably going to watch this and cringe because I am just bad at this. But you want to shake it up, get it all loose, get it all going, make a mess in your kitchen, you know, standard issue stuff. And start washing this gold this blonde dirt away. I'm failing miserably at. Okay, now something you're going to be looking for in this, I don't know if it'll show up on the camera. Okay, so this is all the blonde stuff. Okay, there's a darker bit of dirt right here. That's what you're looking for. That is the material that will be holding all the gold. Because I'm sure I'm butchering this. I'm really bad at this. Okay, so as you're coming down this darker material starts showing up. You want to make sure you're not slumping the gold out. Oh dear gold rush, forgive me for the sins that I am committing. Okay, that's probably down far enough. And then you're going to start walking it down. Wow, I'm really bad at this. Okay, so I'm probably doing a time lapse of this, but you saw me just working the water back and forth. It's to get everything separated out like this. Oh, hold up, let me just get real close and personal with you. So it's to get everything separated like this. Okay, see this black heavy sand is the one that's going to carry all the gold. And if you look real close down in the corner of that pan, that's a gold nugget. Now what I'm going to do with this is because I'm a dummy. 1 second. I'm going to grab my tweezers. And we're just going to go ahead and get that out of there because I can't be trusted. Oh no. And okay, so give me a second. Okay, so I came back over here to screen the rest of the bag out because that's the only thing I'm good at doing. And I found, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oh, where'd it go? Let's see here. Can you see it? Can you see it in there? Oh, right there. I'm making such a mess. Oh, God. Okay, let's just go ahead and grab it. There was a little nugget of gold in the screenings. Always check. Okay, so we're back here. Got our fresh pan of dirt. And we're gonna try to pan this out again. Then, I'll show you the table. I'm bad at this.
Journeys we are meant to take. Something at the edge of space, calling us to fly away.
Okay, so we've got it worked down. So we're gonna try to work this stuff out. So, I'm still bad at this, but all that is gold. So, maybe I'm not so bad at this. No, I'm terrible at it. Okay, so what we have now is we have gold and concentrates. This is our tailings. So what we're gonna do to combat that is the gold table. Get my beard hair off of there. So give me a second, I'm gonna get this set up and we'll get to it.